The portable power station 300W, with a peak output of 600W, is a solar generator offering a 192 Wh capacity. This device is designed for individuals seeking reliable power on the go, making it suitable for a range of outdoor activities or emergency situations. At its core, this power station serves as a compact energy solution, allowing users to recharge various devices without being tethered to a traditional power source. Its lightweight design makes it easy to transport, whether for a camping trip, a day at the beach, or during a power outage at home. The inclusion of multiple output options, including AC outlets, USB ports, and a DC car port, enhances its versatility, enabling users to charge smartphones, laptops, cameras, and small appliances alike. Key features of this power station include its pure sine wave inverter, which produces a clean, stable power output ideal for sensitive electronics. This is particularly important for users who rely on devices that require consistent power quality. The built-in battery management system ensures safety during operation, offering protection against overcharging, overheating, and short-circuiting. Another aspect worth noting is the option for solar charging. This feature allows the power station to harness renewable energy, extending its usability in remote areas where conventional charging methods may not be available. With appropriate solar panels, not included, users can recharge the station efficiently, making it a practical choice for eco-conscious consumers. Using the portable power station is straightforward. The control panel is designed with user-friendliness in mind, featuring an easy-to-read display that indicates battery level, output status, and input power when charging. Users can power their devices by simply plugging them into the designated ports, making it an accessible option for both tech-savvy individuals and those who might not be as familiar with portable power solutions. In summary, the portable power station 300W stands out as a practical and multifunctional option for anyone in need of portable energy. Its combination of capacity, multiple output methods, and the ability to charge via solar energy reflects a thoughtful design aimed at enhancing outdoor experiences and providing peace of mind during power disruptions. As a reliable energy source, it caters to a diverse range of applications, making it a valuable addition to one's outdoor gear or emergency preparedness kit.